today is day 3 in Haiti, man. So today is the day that we're gonna give the kids the school supplies and stuff. So I just got to my uncle's house. So yeah, I'm about to eat and I'm gonna show you guys what I'm about to eat and stuff. So today's like day 2. I mean day 3. Why I keep on saying day 2? We're about to give the kids the school supplies and stuff. So they're already here. Some of them already here. So I'm about to eat. Let's go. This is how they treat. This is how they treat kings and queens in Haiti, man. Shout out to my uncle. I know you want some, so. This is the school where they're gonna give the school supplies at and stuff. So, yeah, some people's already in there. So, you see what's going on. You see the shirt. You see the shirt. Let me see. So, yeah, the whole squad here, except for me. But you know, I'm still representing Haiti though. So if like I said, man, if you wanna support, just make sure you holler at me so you can send your support my way. You feel me? So yeah, man, we're doing it because you know we know how it feels and stuff back home. So we're just doing it just to put a smile on people's faces and stuff. So we already know the struggle. We were here. That's where we went to school and stuff in this little town right here. So we already know the struggle. Like I said, man, if you wanna support, just holler at me, man, so we can support. It's always good to give back. When God bless you and stuff, you have to be able to give back and stuff. So this is what we're doing, man. So as you guys can see, everybody's here. Everybody is here, so we're about to get started. That's my uncle right there. He's making sure everybody's here. Just got done with everything, so we're about to take a picture and stuff. So we're about to take a picture with the people that was in there. So you see what's going on. They coming out, man. So we're about to take a good picture, man. Like I said, this is a non-profit organization. This is a non-profit organization, man. Non-profit. So yeah, so you can see everybody coming out. Yeah, so we're about to take a picture for them and stuff. Get in the picture.
No, I asked her too. Aren't you coming?
We done, finally done, so that's it, alright? See all the kids here, man. So this is what we came here for, man. Alright, merci, mommy. Yeah. I haven't checked the picture. What's good, man? Good morning to everybody, man. As you guys can see, we're on the bus going to Port-au-Prince, man. So, hey, you know what's going on, man. So I'm watching my thing. You. That's what everybody been talking about lately. So far it's good. So I'm on the Prince to Port-au-Prince right now, man. Yeah, man. We only went it back, man. Hey, it's lit.
Baby, welcome to the party. I hit the boy up and then I go skate on.
So we just got to Port-au-Prince and this is the hotel we're gonna stay at. The Sab Hotel. Yeah, thanks God we made it safe and stuff. So we're in our hotel right now.
$250 is $50. Here.
This is the hotel we're gonna stay at for the night. So we just checked in, so we're about to go to the rooms. But please now, so send me my fella dance there like I'm a Mali. So yeah, we're about to go to the room right now. So I will tell you. It's a nice hotel, by the way. Hey, room tour coming soon. Here. Thank you. Turn on the light.
The last one.
Oh, the last one?
Yes.
Alright. Hey. What's it? Hey, the room tour coming soon. What's up, Win Squad, man? Listen, man. I just got to my people's house, man. You feel me? I came to see my nephew, so that's the reason why I came to Port-au-Prince. So because of my nephew, man, so I came to see him and stuff. So he's right here. I cannot show you guys his face because you know he's still a baby, man. So just wait. Oh, you're not supposed to change it? Yeah, just wait when he goes off so I can post his face on the camera, man. But yo, man, that's the reason. But peep the drip though, man. Hey, peep the drip. You feel me? Yeah, so we're about to get out soon to go get something to eat, but you feel me? So I'm gonna take you guys with me, man. So did you watch the other vlog, part 1? If you haven't seen it yet, go watch it right now. And I got my baby. Dielo. I'm gonna over to me, Dielo. Dielo, va faire ça, va faire moi, non sérieux. Dielo. She's shy. Dielo. Mr. Security, he's my security, man. Yeah, don't show them. Yeah, he's my security, man. You feel me? And then, hey, you can have it. Hey, we're not gonna show the baby's face, but hey, this is my long-time friend. You feel me? So we've been friends for like years. So yeah, if I want some of them, but my mama. That's it. I said when like zombie long time was so yeah, depuis yeah, yes, ça veut dire bon anglais. Il va dire non, il commence à éclairer parce que il y a monté blanc, qui là il va parler anglais tout. But yeah, guys, I will see you guys later. What's good, Wen Squad? Listen, man, we're on the bus going to Cape Haitian right now, man. So, yeah, man, like I said, man, we came to visit our nephew and stuff. So today, we're heading back to Oka. So, yeah, man, we got the good seat. We're in the front. So I'm about to show you guys some good view. And say what's up, Mary? Yo, we're in the building. It's say what's up? She's trying to get some charge down there. But yo, stay tuned, man, cause more video, man. You know, I'm gonna drop a lot of videos to show you guys the beautiful sight of Haiti, man. The beautiful image of Haiti, the beautiful video for Haiti, everything, man. Like, you know. So stay tuned for it, alright? You dig? What's good, guys? So we just got to Cap Haitien, man, after a long ride, man. Like, yo, that thing was long. So yeah, we just got to Cap Haitien right now. So we're about to get our stuff so we can go to Satama. Hey, listen. I cannot wait to show you the room and stuff. I know the view is gonna be nice. I hope we get a good view. But here. But yeah, man, I look tired, man, so hey, I'm doing my job, man. I told y'all I'm gonna show you everything I'm doing, so here, we're in the building. So yeah, we just checking in right now, so that's how it is here, man. It's pretty nice, so we're about to have a good time in here. I look rough. I need to take a shower, man. Oh, man. But yeah, guys, so this is it, man.
Darkness.
Yeah, it's lit. Gelo se filme tá filme pé.
Aí achamos que vai vir view, e aí que vai vir balcone.
Oh.
Não quer balcony?
Não.
But depuis je não viu moins pas un problème, non? Côté. Ah bon, okay then. Okay then. All right. Hey, this is what I was expecting. Look on bon view. Você tá fazendo pé? Hey, look at the room though. Look at the room though. It's nice. This hotel is nice, man. I ain't gonna lie to you. The view's amazing, man. Look at the bar, man. And check out the view though. Oh my God. Just stay tuned for tomorrow, man. If it's gonna be nicer, you feel me? But I'm about to head out with my cousin, so I will get back to you soon. Booyah!
I didn't even get a chance to change my clothes. My cousin got them buying ice cream and stuff, man. Look at them. Man, I'm tired, man. This is my favorite place to eat whenever I'm in vacation, right here. Cop Deli, man. I hope you guys check it out whenever you come to Haiti, man.
Finally on my bed, man. Today was a long day. Yes. So right now I'm just chilling, watching the NBA. Lakers versus the Knicks while they watching TVs and stuff. And my sister and my cousin over there, and my other sisters right here. Yeah, man, I'm tired, man. But hey, tomorrow I'm gonna give you a room tour. Alright, I'm gonna tell you guys everything I love about the hotel and everything I don't like about the hotel. So stay tuned for that video, man. And yeah, we just got to do a hotel and stuff, and then we just got done taking showers. So yeah, we finna head to sleep. But before I go to sleep, I want to edit my video because I want to keep on trapping those videos for you guys. But in the meantime, man, don't forget to like, share the video, and subscribe. Like I always say, man, you can tell by the way I'm looking at you right now, man. I'm tired. I'm tired, man. But hey, good night, everybody. I will see you tomorrow. Good night. Good morning, Went Squad, man. Man. Good morning. I hope everybody sleep well. I hope you had a great night, man, because I did. Like, yo, good morning to everybody, man. Listen, check out this view right there. You ready? Hold on, let me open this for y'all. Good morning. Wow. Oh my God. This is Haiti, man. This is Haiti. Yeah, I'm so sleepy still, but I gotta go eat some breakfast. Now we're getting breakfast. Bon appetit. This is the Haitian way, man. Everybody's here getting some breakfast. Hey, listen, man. Like I said, man, if you get hungry, it's not my fault, man. I told you guys I was gonna show you guys everything, so yummy, right? I'll get back to you guys soon.
Like for the glass?
Guys, man, I don't know if you guys see the room tour, man. If you haven't checked the room tour here, I mean, click right here, man. You're gonna be able to view the video, man. But hey, right now we're about to get ready to take some pictures and stuff, so we're about to head to the pool and take some nice picture, man. Hey, I got my little cousin here, man. She's looking at me like, what the fuck you saying? Là, dis some out loud, but they come for anglais, don't get it twisted. But hey, my sister's getting ready and stuff, so she can take some nice pictures, man. So stay tuned for that, man. And she over here like struggling and stuff. She wanna be a YouTuber, but she doesn't wanna be consistent and stuff. So she don't wanna be working, man. But I'm working for y'all, man. Look at me. I'm working. I'm getting some good footage for y'all, man. You see that lady over there? She's waiting on me to come swim with her and stuff. Look. She's waving at me. But I'm capping, right? But this is the church, the Catholic church over there, man. See, that's a nice view right there, man. Hey, but yo, man, hey, don't be afraid to come home, man. Just come home and enjoy yourself, man. A lot of people saying a lot of bad stuff about Haiti. Listen, man, I'm here. Nothing happened to me. You just have to be careful whenever you come here, because you know Haiti's not safe. That's a fact. You feel me? You just gotta be careful and stuff. So us, like, ever since we've been here and stuff, we've been like, you know, moving around in the car. We haven't been able to, like, you know, get on the motorcycle and stuff, because it's kind of dangerous, because they're gonna know that, like, you know, if you come from in the US, like, you're not from here and stuff, they're gonna try to rob you. But you just gotta be careful. Like, you just gotta watch your surroundings at all time and stuff. That's what we've been doing and stuff. So yeah, man, so I'm about to get ready. I will see you guys soon. All right, let me stop talking, man. Let me make some action happen. Good morning, Win Squad. Today's my last day at St. Thomas Hotel, man. I'm going to miss this beautiful place, man. So today's we're gonna spend the day with our family. We're gonna give them the last night, because today's our last day in Haiti before we go back to the state. So I'm going to miss Haiti. I ain't gonna lie to you, man, because I've been having a great time, man. I've been having a blast with all my friends and family, man. But you know, nothing lasts forever, right? But I gotta go back to the US. But check out this view, man. You know, I love views. Look at the pool, infinity pool, man. But I'm about to take me some picture, and after that I'm about to eat breakfast. So I'll catch you guys later. We just got done eating. We just got done eating breakfast, man. I got my nigga in the bag. Ben Love, ça can lie. Ben Love. C'est pour tant pile love on point. Yeah. And we got and then we got Esther in the cut. Yeah, and then she's over here on live and stuff, man. And she's still haven't finished eating her food. Man, but yeah, we here. But yo, this is my view. Feel me? So I'm about to take me some pictures and stuff. But yo, listen. Yo, it feels nice here, bro. But today's our last day in here. Yeah, like I say, a motivant là, I'm jaloux. Venez avec nous, monsieur. We are about to get to Boulevard, alright, so tout le monde qui va pas qu'on capio, mais Boulevard on prend, so la carnaval n'a pas le faire, on one. By Haitien, on pense au. Non, il n'y a pas de ça. Il y a un petit bouton qui t'a acheté par emballé. Ou bien pour petit monde là, mamie. It's been real, Haiti. Till next time.
Wow, Creole music.